Hello and welcome to everyone. My name is Abu Haris Isse. I am your lead facilitator in this workshop. The topic of this health communication campaign workshop is child mortality rate in Sierra Leone. I have two members whom are here to assist me in this workshop. They are Ibrahim and Muhammad Lamin Kuruma. Next is the table of content. In the table of content, I have here introduction of the program, identification of all participants, definition of child mortality rate in Sierra Leone, the main topic of discussion, the aims and objectives of this workshop, the effect of child mortality rate in Sierra Leone, which area is the most affected in the country, method to reduce the maternal death in Sierra Leone. From there, we'll be having break. After the break, we'll be having conclusion and vote of thanks. Next is the identification of all participants. I thank you all participants for coming to this health communication campaign workshop. I know it takes a lot of sacrifices to be part of this workshop. I am your lead facilitator. I would like us to be familiar with one another. First and foremost, my name is Abu Haris Isse. I will now start with the second person on the right, who is Ibrahim Kamara. Head on, we'll go to the person next to Ibrahim Kamara and on to the last person, who is the number 16, because we have 16 participants in this workshop. From there, we head on to the definition of the topic itself, which is child mortality rate in Sierra Leone. Child mortality rate in Sierra Leone is a measure of frequency of occurrence of death of the age 0 to 5 of children in the population of Sierra Leone during a specific interval, like 1 year, because the term mortality is a mathematical way to measure illness or death. We'll now go further to the main topic of discussion, which is reducing child mortality rates in Sierra Leone. The introduction, it introduces the participant to the importance of the topic, which is reducing child mortality rate in Sierra Leone. The participants will be oriented to the significance of the study and the research questions or hypotheses to follow. And the purpose statement announces the purpose, scope, and direction of the workshop. It will tell the participants what to expect in the workshop and what the specific focus will be on this topic. Child mortality rate in Sierra Leone is a topic or research which we have decided to put together as a team, especially that we have realized many of our children are dying from 0 to 5. We do believe we can be able to reduce this through sensitization, mobilization, and immunization of these children, especially Potloko district, where we are stationing the project itself. As you can see, here are some photos which shows the child in her mother's stomach being shown by the nurse, telling us that the child is healthy. Within a short period of time, the child said, "I am out for good." You can see here, let's live for good, the child is saying, because he's healthy. Why? Because the parents of this child follow the rules and regulation by complying to medical experts to do what is required of her. The target audience, as you can see below here, are the under 5 children. You can see the vaccination going on with the under 5 children. These are the reason why we are implementing this particular project, and the target area based on the affection of this particular diseases on the under 5 children is Potloko district. The aim and objective of this workshop, the photo have already shown and demonstrated why this workshop is necessary, so that we can able to educate the participants that are coming from the 16 chiefdom in the Potloko district to go back and tell their people what is needed to be done. From there, we'll have 5 minutes break. In this 5 minutes break, I will now slot a video which will be played and allow the participant to see exactly what we have discussed in a video form. Within that period, we will allow them to watch this one within that 5 minutes. We'll now go on to conclusion. In the conclusion, the time all 16 participants will interact and exchange contacts. After exchanging those contacts, what will be next? I will now come out and hand out the leaflets of material that I have prepared for these 16 participants, and also give them each DVD plate that I do believe they'll be able to look during and after the health communication project workshop, that they too will use to sensitize their communities on the health communication campaign workshop. I thank you all for sparing your precious time and schedule to come for this workshop. We'll now go head on to the vote of thanks. As this university is a university that is believe in working in consonance with religion, we did not start the workshop with praising the Lord, but we may not want to go without saying thank you, because had it not been for his permission to us, we would not have been able to hold this health communication campaign workshop. So, Brother Ibrahim Kamara, come and give us prayer and thanks before I could conclude this blessing workshop that we have held today. Now, Brother Ibrahim have already prayed on behalf of all of us here. May God accept our intentions as this health communication workshop have come to an end. But I am now taking the responsibility to express our sincere thanks to all participants for giving their time during this workshop. I also wish to express my gratitude to all attendants for providing encouragement at this health communication workshop. Thank you all for coming.